Do not rush past this moment. Something in your heart needs this right now. Stay here and let these words reach you. Receive these words from Psalm 126 today. Let them guide your heart into quiet restoration. The book of Psalm 126 verse 1 says, "When the Lord restored the fortunes of Zion, we were like those who dreamed." I am reminding you that restoration can feel unexpected. You may not recognize the change while it begins. I am able to restore what once felt lost. Verse 2 says, "Our mouths were filled with laughter, our tongues with songs of joy. Then it was said among the nations, 'The Lord has done great things for them.'" I am showing you that joy can return again. Your voice will not always carry heaviness and sorrow. Others will see the change happening within your life. Stay present with these words. Let them rest quietly within you. Verse 3 says, "The Lord has done great things for us, and we are filled with joy." I am reminding you to notice what is already good. Even small changes are part of your restoration. Joy can grow slowly and still remain strong. Verse 4 says, "Restore our fortunes, Lord, like streams in the Negev." I am inviting you to ask for renewal without fear. You can come with honesty and quiet expectation. Restoration can flow into dry and empty places. Verse 5 says, "Those who sow with tears will reap with songs of joy." I see the effort you have made through difficulty. Your tears are not without meaning or purpose. What you have carried will not remain without change. Stay here and keep listening. Allow this to settle deeply within you. Verse 6 says, "Those who go out weeping, carrying seed to sow, will return with songs of joy, carrying sheaves with them." I see the weight you have carried while moving forward. You have not been standing still in your pain. There is meaning in every step you have taken. What you have sown will not be forgotten. I am with you as your story continues to unfold. You can move forward with quiet and steady strength. Peace can remain with you through each moment. Your heart can rest even while things are changing. You are not without hope in what lies ahead. I am bringing calm into your heart right now. You can receive this moment with quiet trust. Let your thoughts settle into a place of rest. Stay with these words as your day continues. Return to them whenever your heart needs stillness.